Hi, my name is Vamsi. I'm based in Miramar, Florida, which is located right between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. I'm a software consultant by profession, and I joined the wholesaling program in April 2018 after listening to Tom Kroll and a couple of podcasts. And again, right after I started the program, 2 weeks into the program, my limiting beliefs kicked in, and I told myself that direct mail marketing was too expensive. I'll probably run out of money before I do my first deal. That was a big mistake. I shouldn't have listened to myself, but I guess that's what limiting beliefs are. You listen to them, and it grinds you to a halt, and you never take action. So I signed up with Brent Daniels TTP program in November 2018, and I started wholesaling in December 2018, and I did my first deal in March 2019. So 3 months after I started the program, I did my first deal, and I did another deal right up back to back. So after finishing my two deals, I switched markets from South Florida to Columbus, Ohio. My brother lives in Columbus, Ohio, and we buy a couple of rental properties in that market. So I thought, you know what, let me just get some rental properties through wholesaling, maybe off-market properties, which might give us better returns. And we've done 4 deals so far in the Columbus, Ohio market. We started in October 2019, and we've done 4 deals until now, and that's how it's going for us. So just a little about the coaching program. The coaches are amazing. Tom Kroll, Cody Hofhine, Brent Daniels, and the whole support team of Wholesaling Inc. Big shout out to them. They have a good support structure in place in addition to the program, where they teach you lots of tips and tricks about wholesaling. They actually give you a lot of support. You can reach out to a lot of other successful Wholesaling Inc. students. We call them the tribe members, and you can reach out to them on the Facebook groups. There's also a podcast from Wholesaling Inc. where you can listen to other successful students, and it gives you a lot of energy, and you're always pumped when you listen to that podcast. So again, Tom Kroll, Cody Hofhine, and Brent Daniels are infectious personalities. They have amazing energy levels. Their energy levels are through the roof. Every time you talk to them, you get energized. So you can't ask for better coaches than them. So this, again, my opinion is, it's been amazing for me, and it's been amazing for a lot of other students. You can never go wrong with this program. So life is too short, guys. Just do it. And I'll tell you what, you won't regret if you join the program, because let's say you don't like wholesaling after a while, it's still good, because you are a better person spiritually. You're more fulfilled spiritually, because that's what happened to me. The coaches preach tithing. They preach reading self-help books so they can put you in the right frame of mind. So to be honest with you, I've learned a lot from these books, and the concept of tithing just makes me so much happier than I was before. I'm definitely a better person and a happier person than what I was before I started the Wholesaling Inc. program. So all in all, amazing program. You can't go wrong. Definitely do the program, and you won't regret. Thanks for listening, and have a nice day. Bye.